Aloha everybody, how's everybody doing today? Thank you for tuning into PhotoLukeHawaii for my recommendations and suggestion episode. You might find these enjoyable or helpful. So first, I want to give a shout out to Haku Collective's Mele in Hawaii, which is this Saturday, January 30th, 2021 at 4 p.m. Hawaii Standard Time. I think that's today, right? Go to hakuhawaii.com and click on Mele in Hawaii to watch this episode on Facebook or on YouTube. Don't forget, you can also shop around at Haku Collective's website for Haku Collective merchandise and Kimi A Minor CDs. Support these jewelry designers who handcrafted their creations. First one I want to mention is Creations of Aloha. This is on Etsy. And the next one is Dragon My ASS. Please show some aloha to these jewelry designers and maybe buy some of their jewelry and merchandise today. Creations of Aloha and Dragon My ASS. On one of my walks, somebody said, "Hey, PhotoLukeHawaii." And it was this guy named Anthony Martinez who has a YouTube channel. Please check out his videos. He has some really great Hawaii videos, including some drone footage. You can find him easiest by typing in Anthony Martinez Waikiki. He's not the one that's in all the bad news. This is an awesome YouTuber who has some really great videos, and I wanted to give him a shout out. You can also find him by typing in that full link of the video, the full link of his YouTube channel link right there, or it will also be down below in the description if you look under Anthony Martinez. Please check out Robbie Gross on YouTube for some awesome scuba diving videos. Some of the episodes are in Hawaii and there's some other ones in other places, but my favorite is a night episode, a night manta ray episode. Check that out. That is so awesome. So you can find Robbie Gross by typing in Robbie Gross Scuba Videos. He does some other types of videos also, but if you want to find his playlist of scuba videos, that's one way you can find it. Or you can just go to that YouTube link that I have right down there, or it will also be down below. Show him some aloha and subscribe to him today. Don't forget, subscribing is free for you, and it really helps the YouTube creator. So thank you so much to everybody who subscribes to us. Thank you. You all have been asking for a Hawaii foodie channel, and now you got one. Please check out Amanda and Felix Eats. They have a new URL, which is Amanda and Felix Eats on YouTube. They take you all over Hawaii, showing and reviewing all the food they eat. They also do some hikes and adventures. Show them some aloha and subscribe to them today. Amanda and Felix Eats. Shout out to local Hawaii musicians that I enjoy. First, I'd like to give a shout out to Kimi A Minor. She's an awesome Hawaii musician, and she helps out a lot of other people. She has a website and she has a YouTube channel. Please show her some aloha. Save her webpage and maybe shop around and subscribe to her YouTube channel. You might even find some stuff you want to buy on her website. Check it out. Kimi A Minor. Next one is Josh Tatofi. Check out his Facebook and like his page. You can also check out his YouTube channel. Josh Tatofi. He's awesome, and if you can, buy some of his music. It's on iTunes also, just like, and so is Kimi A Miners. I forgot to mention that. Please check them out on iTunes or on other digital platforms you can buy music from. Next one is Palafuga. Check out Palafuga's fan page on Facebook. Don't forget to follow it. And just like some of the other musicians, Palafuga has music on iTunes also, or other digital platforms available for purchase. Next is Kapena. Here's their website. Don't forget to bookmark it. And they were playing music during COVID every week. But anyways, they also have a YouTube channel. Please check out the YouTube channel and subscribe to them today. And they also have music on iTunes and other digital platforms that you can buy their music from. Next, I want to give a shout out to Anuhea. This is her website. Please bookmark her website. You can shop around on her website and check out the things she has posted on top of there. She also has a YouTube channel also, so please make sure you subscribe to her YouTube channel. She also has music on iTunes and other digital platforms available for purchase. Next, I want to mention Amy Hanaeli'i. This is her website page. You can also shop around on it. And she also has a YouTube channel that you could check out and subscribe to that channel. She also has music online for purchase on YouTube and on iTunes and other digital platforms. Next is Imua Garza. Here is his Facebook page. He's a talented musician and producer. You can also buy his music on iTunes and other digital platforms. Are you guys getting tired of me saying that? Next up is Keikoa Kane. This is his Facebook page. You could give it a like, and he also has music on iTunes and other digital platforms, so check him out. We now have Natalie Ai Kamau, who was Miss Aloha Hula. Here is her website, and she also has a YouTube channel. Natalie Ai Kamau. She also has music on iTunes and other digital platforms available for purchase. We now have BET, Big Every Time. This is their website. You can check them out. They have lots of music available for purchase on iTunes and other digital platforms also. And the last one I want to mention is somebody who sponsors PhotoLukeHawaii, and that is Lono. Go to Lono on YouTube and subscribe to him today. He also has his website at lonomusic.com. Check it out. You can buy his music on here. And he also has music sheets available to play and sing along his music to. So check it out. And there's YouTube link is here also, which will take you to here. And Lono has so much music on there. Totally worth it. Check him out. You can add his music to your YouTube playlist. So much fun. Just like all the other YouTube channels of these very talented Hawaii music artists who we all love and support here, and we hope that you will support them too. There are so many other musicians out there, but these are the ones that I feature often in my YouTube channel and Twitch live stream. So please show them all aloha and subscribe to them, or save their page, or like their Facebook page, and if you can, hire them for a party or buy their music. Thanks everybody for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And even if you don't like this video and you're just glad it's over, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, please subscribe and click that bell so you can get a notification when we post a new video or when we're going to go live. Also, you can check out our Twitch page, or you can join the PhotoLukeHawaii team on our Patreon page. And if you want to donate to us in another way, you could check out our PayPal link. Anyways, thank you so much, you guys. Mahalo nui loa for watching, for supporting PhotoLukeHawaii. Malama pono, which means take care. Hui ho, which means until next time. Aloha, you guys. Mahalo.